there friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Figment from Epcot and Disney World, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with the nose on the bottom. So we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right. Let's frame the nostrils around this. So we're going to step in, curving this over, tucking this back down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right hand side. Now coming underneath from that point, we're going to curve this around and into the center. And then stepping over on the right, arching this back through, connecting that together in the middle. Let's come in and add the nostrils now. So on the center of this, we're going to curve this around, tucking this over and then back up. We'll replicate this on the opposite side. And then we'll just color the center of that nostril black. Now let's step up again. We're going to draw in another curved line above. Let's step out. On the left hand side, we're going to curve this line over and through to the top. And this was where we'll frame in the mouth. So we'll do the same on the right. Let's add in our corner bracket. So stepping over on the side, we're going to curve this over, connecting that, dipping this down, and then tucking that back in. Replicating that on the right as well. So curving that over, connecting that, tucking that down, and then dipping that back in. Let's come down for the mouth now. So stepping out on this line, we're going to bring this down on a diagonal, curving that in to the center. And then stepping over on the right, replicating that, curving that around, tucking that back in, blending that together. Now let's add in the tongue. So on the left hand side, we're going to curve that into the nose. We'll replicate that on the right hand side as well. Now let's draw the chin. So we're going to curve this down, arching this all the way around and up, lining that up as best as we can at the same height. Now let's frame in our cheek. So we're going to curve this out, following the shape of the mouth, arching this around and in. We're going to replicate that on the right as well. So curving this over, following the shape of the mouth, curving this up, lining that up at the same height, tucking that back in. Let's draw in our eyes now. So coming down from this line, stepping over, we're going to curve this line up, down, and through to the middle. We'll replicate that on the right. So sort of coming down on a diagonal. We'll curve this up, down, and in, leaving a gap right in the center. Now for Figment's eyes, we're going to start back on this line and we're basically just going to draw in a nice big oval. So we're going to curve this all the way around, tucking that back in on that line. On the opposite side, replicating that, curving this over, and then tucking that back down. Let's highlight here. So just going down this line, we're going to curve this up and across on a diagonal, blending that in. We'll line this up at the same height on the right, curve this around, and then pulling that through on a diagonal. Let's add in the pupil here. So adding another oval, basically coming down, leaving a gap. We're going to curve this up, arching this around and in on the bottom. We'll line this up at the same height on the opposite side, curving this over and through to the bottom. Let's add in our highlight in Figment's eye now. So we're going to draw a circle on the top. And then from here, we're just going to color in Figment's pupil black. Let's continue with the rest of the face. So we're going to bridge above the eyes here. So we're going to come into the middle, stepping over. We're going to round this out, curving this up, down and out to the cheek. And then we'll leave a gap, stepping across, replicating that on the right, curving this up, down, and then back through to the opposite side. Now let's start in the middle. We're just going to draw in a curved line right in the center. And now let's add in the horns. So coming down from the corner here, we're going to curve this line out on a diagonal. We're going to replicate this on the opposite side. And then now on the bottom from that point, we're just going to curve this over and out to the left and right hand side. Let's frame in the top of the horn now. So leaving quite a big gap coming up on the top of the head. We're going to draw this coming out on a diagonal, curving that on the top. We're going to replicate that on the right. Now from here, we're going to drag this down, curving this around, and we're going to just bend that down to that bottom line because we just want to round that edge out. So curving this down, arching that around and in. And now let's add in some detailed lines. So stepping up, we're going to curve this over and through to the top of the head. We'll replicate that on the right. Let's come up again from this corner, just curving this over and through to the top. Let's leave a small gap here coming around, curving that back up. And then stepping over, rounding that out, curving that through to the top of the horn to finish it off. And that is it. That's how you draw Figment for beginners. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.